Yo, what's going on, guys? So today I'm gonna be doing a review and an unboxing on the Bauer 14-gallon wet dry vacuum from Harbor Freight Tools. Pretty much let you guys see what comes in the box and how the system works, just in case you guys want to get your own. Let's get into the video. Alright, so this is it, the Bauer 14-gallon wet dry vacuum. Let's pretty much check it out. So you have your extension ones. And then you also have your port that's going to be to inhale your dirt or your water particles, and then you have the exit port to pretty much drain the water out. Let's take a look on this side. So this right here is pretty much going to be to like your blower. And let's open this up. So you have your filter, pretty decent sized filter. And let's see what's inside. You have your hose, pretty decent, not that long, but it'll do the job. You have your crevice tool to get in your nooks and crannies. You have your floor wand. This is pretty much going to be to suck up anything from the carpet. This is your wet tool. This is going to be for any like spill on the floor, or you could use it to absorb water from the interior of your vehicle if you're going to use it for that. That's pretty much what I'm using it for. And then you have your utility tool. I believe this is also could be used for the vacuum, or to pick up any like wood debris or any other debris on the floor. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and check this out and let you guys see how it works and give my honest opinions from there. Let's get to it. Alright, excuse the noise, guys. The doors are open. Pretty much it's gonna be the carpet area that I'm gonna be vacuuming. Just want to let you guys see it so that we can see a before and after, and I'll let you guys know how the vacuum works. So as you guys can see, it's a night and day difference. I had to kind of stop recording because the suction power of the vacuum and trying to record with one hand, it's difficult. But yeah, guys, I mean, I would recommend this vacuum if you're gonna be detailing your car or whatnot. I would suggest get it. I haven't yet got to see how the wet portion is going to be used. I will use that later on, and I will update the video, let you guys know how that worked. But I mean, guys, it's a 90-day difference. You've seen the carpet before, you see it now. I would recommend it. Once again, it's the Harbor Freight shop vac from Bauer. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the page. And also, you guys can follow my Instagram at VIPLS_430. Thank you guys for watching.